Hi everyone, Glitter here. Today I am finally back with a beauty video. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video relating to beauty. If you saw my last video, you would remember that I've been feeling a little bit disillusioned with beauty these days. I think ever since I watched The Matrix and did some reading about that kind of philosophy, which if you haven't seen my video, you should go check it out. But ever since that, I've been feeling a little bit paranoid about the way I'm being used, which sounds so silly. It sounds crazy even to me, but it's just such a shame because beauty used to bring me such great joy and was such a lovely creative outlet for me, so I really want to get back to that. And so I'm just going to suck it up and make this lipstick tutorial video showing you guys how to get the perfect lip, which is something at least I used to be great at. Let's see if I still got it, but yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I have this tube of lipstick here that I'm going to be using. You can see it's a lovely pink color. I'm obsessed with it. Also, if you guys didn't realize, I'm wearing my glasses because I didn't want to wear my contacts today. My eyes have been hurting a little bit, so I just thought I'd give them a rest. But yeah. Okay, so starting off, I just like to take the tip of the lipstick and really get in on my cupid's bow, if that's what you call it, or just like the heart, I guess, of my lips, and just like really oh fuck, just gotta clean that up really quick. No worries, nothing you can't fix. But yeah, moving on to the bottom lip, just like I like to swipe it all the way across, get it really like fuck. Okay, it's fine, doesn't matter. You can just, it's okay to overline your lips a little bit. It's a look, Kylie Jenner does it. Just gives you like a nice full pout. So that's what I'm doing here, is just evening it out. And then, yeah, you gotta, even out on the top part too. Just like a nice little subtle, fuller lip. Yeah. Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna look pretty good now. Yeah. Fuck. Okay, I went a little bit too high, so just, keep evening this out until you get the perfect lip. My fucking god. It's fine. It's fine. You know what? It's okay to just go bold on this one, I guess. Just take it all the way fucking up there. And yeah, there we have it, I guess. This is fine. This will look fine. Anyway, moving on. So as you guys can see, I got a little carried away. Guess I don't have it like I used to, but no worries. We can just keep trying to even it out. No one's perfect anyway. No one's fucking perfect anyway. Doesn't even matter at this point. And there you have it. The perfect lip. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.